In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Zelle payment on Bank of America. If you've ever found yourself needing to reverse a payment quickly, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Bank of America mobile app. Ensure that you've signed into your account securely. Security is important, so double check that you're on a trusted network and, if possible, use two-factor authentication for added safety. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Next, you'll want to navigate to your transfers. You may see an option that says Transfers Zelle right there on the home screen, but if it's not visible, don't worry, you can simply tap on the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger or menu button. From there, select Transfer, Send Zelle. This will take you where you need to be, guiding you closer to managing your payments. Now, what you'll want to do is tap on Activity. This section houses all of your recent Zelle payments and transfers. Here, you can review what you've recently sent. It's a useful feature to keep track of your financial engagements and spot the payment you might need to cancel. Once you're in the Activity section, look for the specific payment you're hoping to cancel. There's an essential detail to note here. If the person you sent money to hasn't yet enrolled in Zelle, you should see an option to cancel the payment right next to the transaction. If this is the case, tap on Cancel Payment. After you tap Cancel Payment, a confirmation prompt will appear. It's important to confirm your choice here. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed the transaction you intend to cancel, and once you're ready, proceed to confirm. Upon confirmation, a message will display letting you know that the transaction has been successfully canceled. This is your assurance that your money will not be transferred. However, if the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, unfortunately, the payment cannot be canceled. Zelle sends funds instantly to enrolled users, meaning your request is processed immediately. It's a great feature when you need to send money quickly, but in situations like cancellations, it presents a challenge. If this happens, your best option is to communicate directly with the recipient and kindly ask them to send the funds back to you. Remember that while digital transactions are convenient, they require a bit of extra caution. Always double check your recipient's details and the amount before sending money. This will save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Zelle payments with Bank of America.